Welcome viewers and dear learners to this channel Learning English with Amol. This video is about the article Big Data, Big Insights. In the earlier video, we discussed a brief outline about the basic concept of big data, what big data means, how this big data is collected, what are the different sources and how big data is used either for industries or for companies or even for an individual to make this life more effective, more useful and more concrete. So, in this video let us see the different uses of big data in detail. Dear students, the first and the foremost use of big data is in location tracking. The first point is identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. Let us assume that we are just at a place which is quite unknown, or you visit the place for the first time and you want to search the person's residence, that too without asking even a person. Today your mobile phone has become a very friendly and loyal tool at your hand. Google Map or GPS system really helps you out in this regard. Big data is really a very useful thing at the hands of those people who live and lead their life in metro cities like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi and so on. Normally when it is the office time or when it is the time to depart from their respective places to their final destination, that is their home, it is a very huge traffic that matters, a huge problem, rather a very terrible thing there at metropolitan cities. So, to get real time data about traffic, congestion on a route or one way routes and even the accident prone areas, all the details you get there on big data, or the very use of big data is for these following things. You can plan your own route according to time and transportation, and you can transport your goods of your company, or even today online shopping and online purchasing, everything has become very smooth just because of this location tracking system, which is a very big use of big data. It has reduced risks of transport and improved speed and reliability in delivery. Many a times earlier people never got the concrete idea or the exact idea about their delivery of the parcel, but today because of the location tracking system which is produced by big data, now it has become more reliable and more effective, especially the speed has grown. So, these are the few uses which we can discuss about location tracking here in this point. Next use of big data is understanding the weather patterns. Of course, with the use of weather sensors and satellites which already we have placed for getting the forecast of the day to day climate. It helps us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. It can warn about natural calamities like floods, earthquakes and even very terrible tsunami. It can make necessary preparations to combat them in advance. Just a few days back, we had a very live example of having cyclone on the shore of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. And even just in a few days, probably there is one more attack of the cyclone will be there at the coast of Tamil Nadu and Kerala once again. So, we get the idea or the prior notice is given with the help of weather sensors and satellites. So, that can really help us out in making our preparations to combat them in advance, and ultimately it reduces and saves the human as well as materialistic things from the very calamities that we have to face. It can predict the availability of natural resources like water. It can predict everything about what possible things we have to prepare in advance so as to cope up with the situation. Big data helps us in the healthcare industry also. Today we see almost all the techno savvies having the use of smartwatch, and health apps of course are the part of their Android mobile phones. These mini biomedical research devices which we have in our mobile phones, all it is because of the very gift given by the big data. Big data helps us in detecting the heart rate, it helps us in knowing our sleep pattern, and it can help us out in preparing a record of our exercise or the distance we walked either in the morning or in the evening. Even it gives us the feedback whether the walking or the exercise that we have undergone or we have taken is sufficient enough for us, or is it somewhere falling short. Even the doctors can have better diagnosis of any ailment with the help of these healthcare apps or the various devices which are produced with the very data available through the big data. Today doctors can analyze and finally reach to one conclusion, the effectivity of any drug which they are going to provide to the patient. Guesswork is definitely reduced because of these things which are made available, that always tries to reach out the pinpoint of everything. Past records can be also maintained so that history of any patient can be procured with the help of big data. Finally, it helps in monitoring the outbreak of the epidemics. You see, today we are undergoing through the COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, we got a huge data from the global level, and it will surely help us out in producing the vaccine, at the same time some very effective medicines in upcoming future. Dear students, this video is exclusively about the uses of big data. The first point which we discussed in this video is location tracking, second is understanding the weather pattern, and the third one is about healthcare industry. I hope you have understood the bullet points which we discussed in this video. If you like this video, please mark like, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.